Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will collide Milky Way and Andromeda. Let's see what is happening when Milky Way and Andromeda colliding. And let's go to see what is happening. But before we begin the collide, you need to know saying this collide will begin in real life after 4 billion years. And this will make one large elliptical galaxy. And let's go. I will close the video and show you results after 6 billion years. And this is the result. A huge elliptical galaxy with a huge black hole. And his mass about 200 million suns. And before the video ends, I want to show you delightful things in these galaxies. Thanks for watching, guys, and tell us your ideas in the comments. And bye.